If you're thinking about trying AI Form Fill AI, this just released software might be one of the most useful tools of the year. But there are 7 crucial things you need to know before diving in. You can try it for completely free using the first link below, but make sure to stick around, because what I'm about to tell you could save you hours of frustration and unlock some advanced uses you won't hear anywhere else. First off, AI Form Fill AI isn't just another autofill plugin. It's an intelligent assistant that understands what form fields are asking for, even when they're labeled differently or poorly structured. It doesn't just memorize fields, it interprets them, so it works across different websites, CRMs, job portals, and even custom-built forms. Second, its setup is surprisingly easy. Once installed, it sits quietly in your browser and kicks in when it detects a form. There's no complex onboarding or learning curve. Just click and it fills out intelligently, using either your saved profile data or generating new content based on the field context. Now here's something most people miss. AI Form Fill doesn't just paste in stored info. If you allow it, it can use AI to rewrite or tailor responses depending on the tone and purpose of the form. Whether it's a job application, a contact form, or a business inquiry, it adjusts accordingly. Number 4, speed. This thing is fast. Unlike clunky extensions that slow down your browser, this AI is optimized for speed without draining memory. That matters if you work with dozens of forms a day or manage outreach campaigns. Here's a big one. Compliance. It's built with privacy in mind. Your data is encrypted locally, and you have full control over what it stores or auto-generates. If you've ever been worried about leaking sensitive info, this is where AI Form Fill AI really stands out from generic Chrome extensions. Next, it actually learns from your corrections. So the more you use it, the better and more personalized it becomes. Fix a mistake once, and it remembers for next time. This feature alone can make a huge difference if you're working across platforms or industries. And lastly, there's one feature hidden in the settings most people overlook: multi-profile switching. If you're filling out forms for multiple clients or businesses, you can instantly switch between saved personas, saving you a ridiculous amount of time. So is AI Form Fill AI worth using? Honestly, yes. For marketers, recruiters, job seekers, and anyone doing repetitive form work, it's a game changer. Again, you can try it for free from the first link below. And if you're serious about streamlining your work, you'll want to test it out today. And hey, after testing thousands of AI tools myself, I've included a list of my top recommended AI softwares in the description, all of which you can try for free. Let me know in the comments how AI Form Fill AI works for you, or if there's another tool I should check out.